Good morning, this is Tim McGowan for Finance News Network. Stocks fell Tuesday as traders struggled to recover from losses suffered in the previous session and looked ahead for more economic data. Investors are watching for data coming later this week on topics such as gross domestic product and jobs for insights into how the economy is performing. And they are waiting for Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's scheduled speech on Wednesday for clues into whether the central bank will slow or stop interest rate hikes. It appears that the market has shifted focus from the conclusion of the third quarter earnings reporting season to now additional factors that are likely to influence the Fed Reserve in their December deliberations. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was flat. The Nasdaq shed 0.6%, while the S&P 500 lost 0.2%. In crypto news, the fallout from FTX's collapse is still being felt. Yesterday, BlockFi, a crypto lender that targeted individual investors, offering them loans and high-interest savings accounts backed by Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, filed for bankruptcy. In June, FTX extended a $400 million lifeline to BlockFi, which had been struggling for months. All of which highlights the interconnectedness of the crypto ecosystem and how inherently unstable it is for all participants. Unlike the banking system, without regulation, there is no option for a coordinated bailout. And Elon Musk has been active on Twitter, claiming that Apple is curbing advertising on Twitter and threatening to withhold the social media platform from its app store, as the world's richest man locks horns with the most valuable tech company. The tirade against Apple comes as a growing number of big brands have quietly pulled spending from the social media platform since Musk closed his deal to buy it for $44 billion, amid concerns that the relaxation of Twitter's content moderation policies will cause toxic content to proliferate. On the commodity front, persistent shortages of lithium over the next decade will lead to fewer car sales and hit the cheaper end of the market hardest, the head of one of the biggest producers of the vital battery mineral has warned. Paul Graves, chief executive of Pennsylvania-based Livent, said the lithium supply crunch as demand roars would lead car makers to prioritise material for their most profitable and expensive car models. Lithium prices have jumped tenfold in just under 2 years as electric car sales have taken off, with new supply has been muted following a glut in 2019. Underlying the boom, Chile's XQM this week reported a tenfold increase in net profit to $2.8 billion in the 9 months ending to September. Across the sectors overnight, while tech struggled overnight, once again US-listed Chinese tech companies outperformed. Alibaba was up 5%, Weibo up 10%, JD.com up 6.6%, and Bilibili up 22% on better than expected third quarter earnings. Energy had a good session also alongside oil, with oil services firms were amongst the standouts. Oil prices have gotten crushed in November, but you wouldn't know it by looking at oil stocks which have barely budged. West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures have fallen 11% in November. Since peaking in March, oil has dropped 38%. On the ASX today, the SPI futures are pointing to a flat start. This is Tim McGowan for the Finance News Network. Have a good day.